So you say ma or ma?
Ma.
Ma. That's ma.
M-A and then the mark down there.
And where do your people live in Vietnam?
My family live in Lâm Đồng to Đà Lạt province.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the Ma people live somewhere else in other provinces too?
Yeah, I think they have somewhere in Vietnam, like from Đắk Nông.
Mhm.
It's also in the Highlands
Okay.
of Vietnam. Yeah, and mostly they are in the Highland, not the other part of Vietnam or the north.
Oh,
Mostly they're
okay.
in the middle of Vietnam, from Đắk Nông or maybe Da Oai. You know Da Oai?
I don't.
No, yeah. Ma. The other name people call Ma is Ma Stieng.
Oh, Ma Stieng.
Yeah,
You
it's
can-
just the name that they call, but just Ma.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, some people think that the Ma people are the same as the Kahal. Do you consider yourself Kahal or Ma?
I still consider myself as Ma because I speak mostly like 80% like Kaho people understand that, but
Okay.
my accent is pretty different, and the food a little bit like similar, but there's some dish that we have our traditional dish and some of the stuff that different
Oh.
too. Yeah.
And among the Ma people, do children take the mother's last name or the father's last name?
We take the mother last name.
Tell me some of the Ma last name.
The my last name is not a lot, just
Not a lot.
two. Ka, Ka, the same pronoun but different. Ka is K-A for a woman,
Uh-huh.
and K-A with the little mark right here.
Apostrophe.
Yeah, and
like K apostrophe.
Yeah, apostrophe, and then that is for the man. That's it.
Are there other last names
No,
beside the Ka and Ka?
no. I don't know right now, but when I lived back then, it's just two last name. Yeah,
Huh.
yeah.
After a man and a woman they got married, does the wife move in to live with the husband's parents, or the husband move to the wife's parents' household?
In our Ma culture, is a man moved to a woman house, and like Keho people. When I told you that our culture is different because of this too. Keho people that whenever they come and ask a wife, yeah, a wife need to pay the money to get a man.
So the wife's family gives something to the husband's
To the
family.
husband family, like something, money, and then something to add to
Okay.
that too. But for my people, is
Uh-huh.
very different, big different.
Huh.
Like a wife does not have to pay anything for a man, and
Oh,
a man just come move with them,
so there's
like
no
for free.
okay for
Yeah.
free.
Yeah, for
I
free.
like
I
that.
mean, yeah, no cost, like alcohol. Yeah, that is a big difference. But
Interesting.
if my girl married to a girl man,
Uh-huh. In English, there's a word called bride price,
bride price,
which means after a man and woman get married, the husband's family gives something to
bride
the
price.
bride's family. But it seems like in your culture, you don't do that.
No.
Like the man doesn't give anything to the wife's family. The wives don't give anything to the man's family.
Basically like that, because I don't see they pay or anything. They celebrate the day.
Okay.
But
The
mostly
wedding.
that the wedding, most especially that the wife family gonna pay for them, and then they do one more time for a man. They do for their family,
Oh,
and then they're gonna pay themselves
okay.
for the fee for wedding of that. Yeah.
Also the houses, like traditionally, did you have houses that were where the floor was above the ground, right? In English, they call it house on stilt,
How on
which
still?
means like you have this post And under the house, under the floor, there's a big space where people can walk and you leave your animals, some stuff up.
Yeah, back then my grandma, grandpa, they have that house, but nowadays we don't have the house anymore. Yeah.
Were the houses very long? Do you remember?
It's long and then like big too. A lot of family live over there. They don't live like one family, like 2-3 generations live to that house.
In the same house. So in a long house.
Yeah.
That's what they call. Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
The same thing with the Jirai.
Yeah.
Jirai has like really long house.
Yeah.
And so you have like grandchildren, children, and the married couples, and then the parents, and then grandparents. They all live in the same house.
Nice.
It's the same.
Yeah.
And how about under the house? Did you put like chickens or cows or belongings under the house? Oh, about the Ma people today, are they mostly Christians or what do you think?
The people that I've known, like in my group, is they all Christian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do they go to Catholic church or Protestants?
They go to Protestant more than Catholic.
Okay, so they're more Protestants than Catholics. Okay. Are there different churches in?
In my hometown, it's only one church. It got built like maybe 4-5 years ago, and a lot of Kaho people and Maka people, they gathering together.
Oh, Kaho and Ma.
Yeah.
So when they have worship service, is the preaching, the music, or the Bible study or talk, are they conducted in the Kaho language?
Yeah.
Okay. But you all understand each other?
Yeah, we all understand. Yeah.
Okay. And do you have Bible in the Ma language?
We don't have in Ma, but because we speak most Kaho, so then we use Kaho Bible daily.
Oh, okay. So you use Kaho Bible.
Because we know all the word, but just different accent.
So it seems like Ma is almost a dialect of the Kaho language. How about in the United States? Do you have many Ma friends?
Hey, I've been here like 18 years and I haven't met any Ma here. Yeah, come get me. If you guys are Ma, okay, come get me.
Oh, wow.
I'm here in Dallas, okay? Come make friends to me.
Wow. Yeah. So you don't know any Ma here?
Yeah.
How about James' wife? Is she Ma?
She's far away from me. She's the only person that I know Ma. Yeah, actually.
Okay,
yeah. But
she
whenever she
town.
she travel down here, she can see me.
So you do know only one?
Only one. Yeah.
Okay.
Very rarely. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a new couple from Vietnam. Người Ma. They moved to my city now.
Oh.
So there are 3 Ma.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Can you want to tell me a little bit about your shirt, your dress here?
I think we look similar. I don't know. It's what is the difference? Because this is like my mom sent it to me from Vietnam.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I can see there's some similarities.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that.
See?
So this is Jirai.
I need to research more about why it's the same thing like this.
That's
Maybe
true.
it's meaning something, The
color is the same, like red and black.
Yeah. We need to figure it out what's going on with this. Yeah.
Are there many people still wear traditional clothes, Ma clothes?
Oh, not in daily. I think they just only wear something special,
Oh, okay. Yeah. Maybe at church.
Yeah, at church or
special
something
events.
Special event, yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell me about your people? My
people is very small group, but they are nice. If you have a chance to visit Vietnam, you know what? They are in Lâm Đồng. Mostly my hometown is in Di Linh, Lâm Đồng. If you want to visit them, okay, they're very nice, friendly, and then they give you a good food, like a very traditional dish.
Okay.
Yeah, from the jungle. Yeah, we welcome you. Okay.
I would love to go and visit your village, your people, and enjoy my food.
You guys welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching